Oh my god. This is the official Sunday eating contest at McDonald's. First one to finish 4 sundaes gets a grand prize of 1 quad. Oh, Mitch is winning. Jordan with the apparent brain freeze. Oh, Jordan claims his competition. Let's take a look at these cups are clean. They seem pretty clean. Seems to be getting to his chest now. Both these contestants are gonna have diarrhea after this.
Oh man.
Guys.
That's the cream coming out from your nose.
You guys are aware that we're not liable for any hospital bills. Alright, shut up.
She meant to steal on the second one.
Oh dude, man, I want a sundae now.
Are you sure? I don't think you want to after they ate the first one.
Oh, Mitch finishing off his second cup. Jordan already halfway through this.
Oh, they're giving it just as Jordan.
Oh.
Oh, Jordan's so confident.
The heavyweight finals. I'm just kidding, that was a joke, get a joke.
Holy shit! Oh, it's Mitch.
Oh, Mitch. Everyone watching, please take notes. It is officially 12:35 at night. These two are gonna have a hell of a hard time sleeping from all the sugar in their veins. Okay, I'll stop commentating, sorry. Happy meal.
So what do you think, Freddy? I guess Jordan's used to it because he lives in North Pole, Fox Penguin.
Well, polar bears do have a tendency to put up with cold things. Cheers to you too, baby. Oh!
Jordan's last?
And with that, Jordan claims the title. Will Mitch continue?
Don't forget to take a picture. He runs the toilet holding his ass.
Thank you for watching. This is Frederick Steng and Yutaro Tomioka reporting. We hope you enjoyed it.